When you have a great design for your pet, you want to see it everywhere. Whether you're creating for yourself, for a gift, or launching a brand new business. But for years, bringing those ideas to life meant choosing the right printer for each material. Rigid products like wood, acrylic, and glass require a UV printer. Cotton apparel requires a DTG printer. Polyester and transfers rely on a DTF printer. Every new material meant another machine, more space, and higher investment. That's why we created a new way to print, Omni Printing. Meet the xTool O1 Omni Printer, the world's first desktop printer designed to create across rigid materials and fabrics. From a single compact desktop, you unlock 4 modes. Print directly on rigid objects with UV, or create UV DTF transfers for curved and oversized items. Move to DTG for cotton fabrics, or DTF for flexible apparel and blends. Traditionally, having access to all these capabilities meant investing over $9,700 in equipment and dedicating an entire workspace. O1 brings a complete production studio to your desktop starting from $2,000. Less space, lower upfront investment, more ways to create. But does a multifunction machine mean a compromise on quality? Not with O1. O1 is a desktop printer built to professional standards. We carefully selected premium ink formulations and fine-tuned the printhead, ink, and color profiles together to achieve the best possible output. Side by side, O1 delivers richer colors and more accurate reproduction than other desktop printers. It's not just good for a desktop, it's officially G7 color certified. For fabric creations, quality doesn't stop at printing. It needs to last. O1 DT prints are tested for durability, with DTG prints lasting through 30 to 50 washes, and DTF transfers lasting 50 plus washes. So the print quality is great, but what about the setup? Changing materials usually means a headache with alignment. To solve this, O1 developed Pixel Scan Vision System, the first desktop printing solution that combines full bed laser scanning with an industrial-grade CIS imaging module. Just drop your object anywhere and print with absolute accuracy. Compared with traditional camera-based systems, CIS scanning captures a true one-to-one image of your entire print area without distortion, while the integrated laser system enables faster and more accurate height detection. And professional workflows don't stop at the printer itself. O1 is supported by a complete accessory ecosystem that expands what you can create. Add the rotary attachment to customize tumblers, mugs, bottles, and more. Or pair the roll feeder and laminator to streamline UV DTF sticker and canvas workflows. The laminator can also work on its own, adding premium gold or silver foil effects to your creations. Another question remains. With 2 ink systems in one machine, does maintenance become a nightmare? Combining UV and DT printing is one of the toughest challenges in hardware design because the 2 ink chemistries are completely different, especially DT fabric ink, which is more sensitive to drying and settling. Our goal was simple: take on all that hardware complexity so it becomes completely invisible to you. In our dual head configurations, UV and DT inks run through completely independent physical ink paths and separate print heads, eliminating cross-contamination. Switching between workflows is handled seamlessly through software. O1 also features SmartCycle 2.0, an intelligent maintenance system designed to automatically manage 2 independent ink systems. When switching between UV and DT workflows, the unused ink system is automatically protected with dedicated moisturizing solution, keeping the printhead hydrated and ready for your next project. Going on vacation or leaving your studio unattended, O1 can stay protected for weeks, so you can come back and get back to printing with confidence. For DT fabric ink, which requires more advanced care, O1 incorporates industrial-grade positive pressure cleaning technology, thoroughly removing residual ink and maintaining consistent printhead performance. It also addresses another common challenge: white ink management. O1 automatically stirs and circulates white ink to prevent settling, keeping ink flow stable and every print consistent. So, who is O1 made for? For design studios, it's a faster way to prototype and validate creative ideas. For creators at home, it's a way to turn more ideas into reality without filling an entire room with machines. For customization businesses, it's a way to expand into new categories and test new possibilities with lower upfront investment. Of course, every business has different needs. If apparel becomes your core business and production volume grows, a dedicated xTool apparel printer can help you maximize efficiency. With an industry-first, one-click print-to-bake workflow, it streamlines DTF production, so you can take on more orders with less effort. xTool O1 Omni Printer, built for creators and businesses ready to explore what's possible next.